Penang is one of those places where you feel at home as soon as you step off the plane. This is what we did in just a few days. Just walking around Penang today to see some street art and get some Instagram pictures. We're only here for 2 nights, so we're not doing much. Later on in the afternoon, we are going to go to the temple. It's one of the largest temples in Southeast Asia. Then we're going to head to Penang Hill to get some panoramic views. This place known as Little India. There's a large population of South Indians living in this country, and I love the vibe here. It's beautiful. It's like you're in India. We are here at the largest temple in Southeast Asia. This temple is called the Kek Lok Si Temple. So if you've been to Penang and not been to this temple, then you massively missed out. What I'm about to show you is some cool drone footages that I just took from over there. It wasn't easy climbing up this, but the views will simply blow you away. The views are well worth it. It's really hot, and this guy's going to serve me some sugarcane juice. This is really, really nice. So we've decided to go to the local beach, Batu, Ferringhi. I'm actually quite impressed with this beach. It's really decent. It's not bad compared to a lot of places I've been to. The water's clean as well, and the beach is sandy. if you guys liked watching this video, do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.